Hey, Steve.
Yeah, Jack.
Hey, we're not going to be able to use you to pick up cars anymore. We're going to have to use you to do various other things, but not tow cars.
What am I going to do to make money?
That's your problem.
All right, well, thank you for not letting me go. Appreciate it.
All right.
Got a job for you at Federal Iron and Metal? You and Henry should make a lot of money off of this. The pipe weighs a lot.
That's where all our pipe's at. That's going to make us go to Hurricane Alley. All right, let's see where we can find this pipe at.
Oh my gosh, look at all these pipes! Hurricane Alley! I'm going to Hurricane Alley! I'm going to Hurricane Alley! I'm gonna own Hurricane Alley!
What's wrong?
I'm just so happy.
What?
I'm just so happy
Why?
because there's so many pipes.
Here's her pipe.
I'm never gonna make it to Hurricane Alley with this pipe.
Yeah, I know it wasn't the load that we wanted, but I guess let's go ahead and secure it.
Hey, Steve, I got a job for you. Go to Stand Vibration. You're going to be hauling band equipment. And guess what? You should make enough money to take Henry to Hurricane Alley.
Sounds great. Yeah, we close at 7. Thanks, brother. Bye. Hey.
Hey, I'm Steve from Texas Wrecker.
Hey, Steve, what's up?
Not much. I was told that you have a whole bunch of band equipment for us to pick up.
Band equipment. Come over here.
Okay.
You know, Steve, we have everything here at Sound Vibrations.
Oh, you do? Good.
Drums, guitar effects pedals, guitars,
75
guitar amps,
It'll probably stop at 80.
guitar amps.
It stops at 80.
Everything here you might ever want. We have guitar amps, we got guitars, we have pro audio, we have DJ lighting, we have keyboards, recording equipment, anything you need. And man. And this is what I need for you to take for me.
A kazoo?
A kazoo.
A kazoo. A kazoo. A kazoo?
A kazoo.
Nothing else.
That's it.
Well, thank you for your business.
You're more than welcome, Steve. Always good to see you.
You too. All right, I'll go strap this down.
Yes, sir. Take care of our kazoo.
I will. You don't need this to go? Ugh, it's heavy.
The kazoo.
How about, does anybody need this delivered?
The kazoo.
Okay. Just trying to, how about this? This weighs about 10 pounds.
I think you got it covered with the kazoo.
The kazoo? Do you need to be taken anywhere? I bet you weigh about 160. Let me see. Oh yeah, how about you?
I'm almost insulted. 149.
Oh, 149. The kazoo.
The kazoo.
Thank you for your business.
You're welcome, Steve.
Bye. Hey Charlie, what's wrong?
The bed won't go down.
Hold on, Charlie. All right, go ahead.
Steve and Henry, I've got a call for you. You need to go to Staples in Yorktown right away. Okay, bye-bye.
Well, I'm trying to get to Hurricane Alley, but...
Where?
Hurricane Alley. I'm trying to get there. I'm all ready, and I'm really late now, but I'd like to still go. Can you guys help me out?
Yeah, Henry, he's the mechanic here. Can you see what you can do?
Okay. Have you ever been to Hurricane Alley before?
Oh, I sure have. It's awesome. They got great rides there. You've never been?
No. We've been working really hard to try to get there, but we'll get there soon. We're getting there.
Can you go ahead and try it?
Sure. Hey, it works!
Good job, Henry.
So how much do I owe you?
Nothing, it was just a loose wire. Have fun at Hurricane Alley.
Wow. You know what? I don't owe you anything.
Yeah.
You know what? I'm late anyway. Hold on. You take my tickets and you go to Hurricane Alley.
No, you should have it.
You know what? Really, I appreciate it. This car gives me a lot of trouble and you really saved my day. You go and enjoy Hurricane Alley.
Are we there yet?
Not yet. We're getting close.
There's Hurricane Alley.
Welcome to Hurricane Alley, Henry.
Well, Henry, you did good. You helped out that young lady that was on her way to Hurricane Alley, and she gave you a ticket and you had fun, didn't you?
Mm-hmm.
Is there anything else you want to say?
Well, this used to be a beautiful pipe, but now it's small. This used to be a beautiful chain, but now it's dirty.
Thank you for coming.
Adios.
Bueno, bye.